Hi, YouTube.
Hey, you friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing some Philly cheesesteak tacos. We're gonna go through the steps, super easy. I try to do a taco dish at least once every few weeks just so people can have the dinner for Taco Tuesday. But this is gonna be a Philly cheesesteak. This is one of the home chef 15-minute meals. That means it's supposed to be quick. I prepped all the ingredients ahead of time. We're gonna cook up some stuff on the stove just so you can see what we have to cook up, but it's actually super simple. First thing we have to cook up is our meat with our vegetables. I prepped all the vegetables, really simple. They give you the mushrooms, you have to cut them. I cut up some additional peppers. They give you this pepper mix already cut, and then they give you 2 green onions that you have to chop. And you wanna separate the whites from the greens. They give you some crushed red peppers. They give you a black demi-glace. They give you some garlic salt, and of course your 10 ounces of beef, provolone cheese, plain cream cheese, tortillas, and then I actually shredded up some additional cheese just because I wanted to make them super cheesy. Anyway, so let's go through the steps really quickly. We have our handy dandy card here. We're gonna go through our steps really quickly, and then we're gonna get to cooking. So the first step in the process, even though it says it takes 15 minutes, chopping up, if you're fast chopping, you may be able to do it quickly, but chopping up your ingredients is the first part of the process. Then we're gonna cook our filling. So that means you're gonna put this, which is mushrooms, peppers, pepper mix, and the whites in a pan over medium-high heat, and you're gonna cook that. And then after you cook it for 1 or 2 minutes, then you're gonna stir in your steak strips. Once we put in our steak strips, we're gonna cook that for 4 to 6 minutes. We're gonna put in 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna add our 2 Demi-Glace packets, bring it to a simmer, and that'll be about 3 to 4 minutes, and then that's it. And you can remove that from the heat source once we're done. We're gonna warm the tortillas. I typically do it in the oven. The directions that call for warming them in the microwave, so you're just gonna wrap them with a damp towel, and then you're gonna put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna finish off with the sauce. It has a cheese sauce, so we're gonna use 1/4 cup of water, Philly cream cheese, and we're gonna boil that, or excuse me, we're gonna bring it to a simmer for 60 seconds. You're gonna just stir it up until the cheese is melted. You wanna add some salt and pepper to that, and then that's it. And then we're gonna plate, and then we're gonna eat, and then we'll finish out the video. So let's move to the stove, and then we will cook up everything, high speed. Let's go. We're done. It was easy. It's a 15-minute meal with a little bit of extra time because there's certain things that take some time to make. Not a lot of time, but just when you add it all up, 2 minutes here, 3 minutes here, 2 minutes here, it turns out to be probably like a 20-minute meal, which is not bad. The tacos turned out well. I haven't tried them yet. And then I used a little bit of hot sauces that I had from the hot ones. So shout out to the hot ones, just to see how the different sauces taste. I tasted the meat beforehand, and it actually kind of tastes like a Philly cheesesteak, which I thought was kind of cool. I garnished it with this habanero cheddar that I have, and then I made that sauce with the provolone and the crushed red pepper flakes, which is great. They tell you to put the crushed red pepper flakes on after the fact, but I find if you put it in the cheese sauce, it actually sticks to whatever you're eating better. So we're gonna try this, see what it's like. I think it's gonna be good. This is one of the easy meals. It's a great Taco Tuesday meal. So let's see if the proof is in the pudding. The meat is nice, light. This is a good meal, like I said, quick, easy. You can do this on your own. But shout out to Home Chef for sending like a really simple, easy kit. Add a little bit of heat to it so that I can feel the heat in the back of my throat right now, which I'm happy about. With Philly cheesesteaks, they're not hot at all. So I would say season to taste, because red pepper flakes, they'll make it hot, but I use a little bit of super hot pepper just to give it that bite. Other than that, there's not much to say about this. This was easy to make. On a scale of difficulty, is probably a 2, and in terms of tastiness, I would say it's probably like a 7 or 8. This is actually quite good. Great meal for Taco Tuesday. Great meal for kids. Sometimes you find with these Home Chef and other meal kit programs that you have to really pick the ones that are kid friendly. This is super kid friendly in that kids will eat all of this stuff. There's no like rando vegetables that they may not eat. So hit the like button for the algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching the video and rocking with me. Hit the notification bell so you can see when my other meals come out, and please subscribe and like below. I'm out. I spaced out today.
Subscribe right below.